Okay, so once it's done all its thing and all the faults have gone away, which you can press this button here to do, you can come in, scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to number 10. See 10 there. Now, it says rain sensor configuration. Use this button here to come down to configuration. You'll see it's come down. This is your enter button, press enter. Enable transmission control, yes. So you want to go here, go up. You'll see it's come up, it's on. Enter button here again. Okay, it brings up the next page. Just press this button here, which will back you up a page to here. Now you want to confirm this, so you press this button, confirm. It now brings up the gears. You want to go to reverse, you can do that, bring it down. If you want to go to low, which is the one we're going to use, is you go up, as you can see. So we're going to do second gear is what it is. This is the confirm button. You need to confirm it again. You'll notice it will go to second. Part brake off, and there'll be no throttle, nothing happens until you press it right to the bottom, and then off you go. Now to stop and go into, say, neutral or reverse, press that button. You'll see it will automatically come up with neutral. Confirm it with that button. Now you're in neutral. If you want to go to reverse, press this again. Go to reverse. You have to confirm it with this button. You'll see it change. We're in reverse. Part brake off. Nothing will happen. You've got to press that throttle all the way down. And then you've got reverse. To come back out into neutral again, this one automatically comes up in neutral. Press it again, and that's you. If for some reason there's a screen comes up here, like this fault code will come up here again, press this button here and it'll get you back out of it. Okay.